Well, hi there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson. This is part 3 of my lessons on Spandau Ballet's classic song Through the Barricades. Okay, so in part 2, previous part, we ended up on the instrumental bit leading into verse 3. Okay, so different side of life, we feel the same and feel it from the strife. Right, and there we have it. There is the subtle difference in verse 3. Okay, so when you come out of that instrumental bit and we go into the verse, it's straightforward as normal. G, born on an E minor 9th, different side of B minor 7th, leading, C added 9, we E minor 7th, feel the difference, and F added 9 as normal, feel the difference. Now normally we would go to a C there with added little pinky on the 3rd fret, top E string, but on this verse we stay on that F added 9, twice as long. No C, okay? So the feel of all this strife is all on that F added 9. Feel of this strife. Back to G. Second half of the verse is as normal, okay? So the whole verse 3, very slowly. Born on a different... Sorry, let's do it again, sorry. Born on a different side of life. The same and feel it all the strife. So come to me and I'll sleep. We'll cross the lines and dance upon the stream. Now okay, so there's the difference on verse 3. That F added 9 is twice as long. You don't do the C bit, okay? Chorus 3 is exactly the same as normal chorus that we've done so far, apart from the very end. When you come to Through the Barricades, you stop on the G chord, single stroke, Barricades. So it goes, now I know that I'm saying, and the drums begin to fade, and we made our love on wasteland. So we stop on that end of the Barricades on a single G strum. Bit of a pause, and then we're going into the bridge section, and we go into an F chord. Oh, turn around and I'll be there. Okay, this is this bit, okay? So after the stop on the G, Barricades, bit of a pause, and then F. You can play F bar chord, 4-fingered F, 3-fingered F, just as long as it's an F, okay? Oh, C, turn around and I'll G, be there. Well, there's that F, scar right through C, my heart and bear, but I'll G, bear it again. Okay, so let's just go through that bit from the end of the 3rd verse, Barricades, F, oh, C, bear around, I'll G, be there. Well, there's an F, a C, now bear again, G. Oh, F, thought we were human, C, raise, but we were just, now we've got the G rundown in like we've done before, just another human raise. So that's a G, just another, then G with the F sharp in the bass, 2nd fret bottom E string, keeping these 2 fingers. I'm playing a 4-fingered G here. Just another borderline E minor 7th bass. So keep those 2 fingers where they are and make an E minor shape. Bass. And C added 9 now. Stars reach down and tell us that there's D suspended 4th, that's a D with a little pinky on the top E string 3rd fret. Always wanna D, straightforward D, escape, and then we're going into the fourth verse. Okay, so coming out of the last line where it goes the third chorus rather, loving wasteland and through the barricades, oh turn around and I'll be there, where there's a scar right through my heart, but I'll bear it again. Race, but we're just another borderline day. And the stars reach down and tell us that there's always one escape. Oh, and the lovers go. Now we're into verse 4, and this is different. Okay, instead of playing G, E minor 9th, B minor 7th. It's totally different. It's G. It's the G rundown. G. Oh, I don't know where love has gone. That's that G, 4-finger G. Oh, I don't know. F sharp, second on the bottom E string. Keeping these two fingers where they are. Oh, I don't know where love has. E minor 7th gone. C added 9. This E minor 7th, troubled land, desperate, C added 9, duration keeps us D strong. Repeat everything again now. Friday's child is full of soul, that's that G run down again to E minor 7, C added 9, nothing, E minor 7 left to lose, and C added 9, everything to go, D, now D. Add sus4, add your pinky to the 3rd fret top E string, and then into the next chorus. Okay, so let's just do this verse 4. Okay, so coming out of the middle section, and there's always one escape. Sorry, always one escape. Oh, I don't know where love has gone. This troubled land, desperation keeps us strong. Oh, and Friday's child is full of soul. Nothing left to lose, there's nothing to go. And right, now we go into another chorus, and that is the same as normal. Oh, what they're saying is a treasure beauty we made. We make our love on wasteland and through the barricades. And then, so that's the same as normal chorus there, okay? So after verse 4, we have a chorus 4, which is normal chorus, okay? And then, come out of the 4th chorus, barricades, bit of a strum, and then we start another chorus again. Repeat the chorus again, but this chorus is slightly different. So first bit is normal. Now I see what you're saying. D add 4 with the open top E string, and our hearts beat. So as normal. No, it's not. Sorry, I've done that wrong. So this is where it changes. Sorry, this is chorus 5 now. Okay, so we've come out of chorus 4, G, and then we go into chorus 5. 2 notes as usual. Now I see what your D add 4, which is as normal, D with the open top E string, saying as our, this is where it changes, E minor 7th, or E minor will do, hearts go there. And then we go to a C major 7. That's a C chord with the first finger off. Okay, C chord with first finger off. So it's now I know what they're saying, and our hearts go to their grave, and we So we've got so far, this is the last chorus, okay? So when I C, no, what the D add 4 saying, E minor, hearts go, D to their graves is C major 7th. Got that? So E minor, D, C major 7. Graves, hearts go to their graves. So this chorus is totally different, okay? Apart from the very first line. Now I know what they're saying, and our hearts go to their graves. And we, A minor 7th, made our love on waste. Land is C. So it's played the A minor 7th. That's so this is after graves. So it's hearts go to their C major 7th graves. And we, A minor 7th, made our love on waves. C, land. And D, stop through the barricades. End of song. G. Okay, so we got that. So this is the final chorus. Okay, so and C, D added 4, open top E string, E minor, hearts go D, C major 7th, and A minor 7th, made our love on way, C, and D, stop the barricades. Now we play that F bit again that we played after in part 2 after chorus 2, okay? Strum on G, end of song. Or you could play that twice if you wanted to. Something like that to end it, okay? Got the idea? So that little bit on the F, is just, if I just remind you, you start with the F9 with the added 9. Go back to the second, from 4 down to 1, then play the second string and the third string. Take the pinky off and just play 1, 2, 3, and then put your pinky back and play 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's then the C chord is C with little pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, all the way down from 5 down to 2. 3, 4, and then take your pinky off and play 2, 3, 4. Then put your pinky back and play 2, 3, 4. So it's okay. So you can do that once and then go to a G chord to finish it. So. There you have it, okay? So that's everything about this song, okay? So just for fun, I'll go from where, hopefully I'll try and do it in one hit, from where we started this lesson at the end of chorus 2 going into verse 3, sorry, okay? So born on a different side of life, we feel the same, feel this all strife. Come to me and I will sleep through a course of a life. oh sorry, cross the line and dance the ball on the street. Now I know what you're saying, the drum began to fire. We made our love on the wasteland and through the barricades. Oh, turn around, I'll be there. There's a scar right through my heart and bury I thought the human race, we were just another and the stars reach down and tell us there's always one escape. Oh, I don't know where love has gone. This trouble and friendship is strong. I found his child is full of soul, but nothing left to choose to go. I know the saying, it's a terrible something like that. Sorry about the minor boo-boos along the way. I lost my concentration a bit there. Anyway, hopefully that'll help you play that song, and that is it. Okay, so anything you don't understand, let me know. I'll try and explain it a bit better maybe, but hopefully that will be fairly plain sailing for you. I might have to rewind and watch it a couple of times maybe, but good luck with that. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.